Today we get to check out and test drive a beautiful 1956 Chevy 3100. We just drove the red one that came from the same previous owner, and he did such a nice job on both of these trucks. I mean, really quality restorations. And I like the blue on this. I mean, just an absolutely beautiful color, beautiful paint job, good looking wheels.
I absolutely love it myself. And to build two trucks totally identical, the same interiors, just both of them are so awesome.
I almost hope that whoever buys this one, you know, or buys the red one, buys them both.
We thought about trying to sell them in a pair, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. That'd been cool.
Great truck. I mean, the red one's gorgeous, the red 57, but I love the color on this 56. I chose the wheels. I personally love them. They're 20-inch wheels. They fit that wheel well up just perfectly. 235 six-cylinder, and he went ahead and put aluminum radiators in both. He drove these. I mean, these are ready to jump in and drive to the show.
The bottom side of the hood's nice. The firewall is excellent.
Super nice quality. Look at the wiring and how that's all tucked in. Wiring harness. It's quality trucks. You get what you pay for.
Yeah, you do. And this one, with these trucks, you're actually getting more than what you pay for.
Yeah.
I feel like these are...
I mean, if you took a truck like this and went and tried to get it restored, if you had a truck given to you for $4 grand, there's no way you could restore this truck for what we're paying, what we're asking for it.
No. The grill's really nice. This front emblem here has been replaced or re-chromed. That's got a great shine. Headlights look good.
I like the chromatic white bumpers on it. I mean, if a guy wanted to, you could do chrome, but I think this looks great.
Yeah, the white looks good with the blue. Driver's side front fender's gorgeous. You did good with the wheels. I like them.
Thanks, man.
Front fender's really nice and straight, really solid body. And on both these trucks, he did such a nice job with the beds on them, and then the interiors. The paint on the bed is gorgeous. The wood's all restored.
It's perfect. I mean, the
even
amount
behind
of
the
money.
box.
Oh, jeez. Every part of this was taken apart, painted. Look at the quality of the paint and the door jambs. New strikers on both trucks. New hinges.
Can't believe, I mean, these trucks should be as good as gone at the price. I mean, hell, if you wanna make it a $70,000 truck, put a freaking crate motor in it, you know,
and a different front subframe on it or something. Yeah, you could definitely do that. There ain't much to do, is there?
No, you don't have to do.
Just update the drivetrain and make a little different drivetrain, and you got yourself a super high dollar truck.
Yeah. GM paint's excellent. All new strikers. Seats look good. Steering wheel looks nice.
If we had more time, we could spend 10 grand and do that. You know that?
Yeah. The gauges are nice. Paint
all new glass, all new rubbers around the glass. I mean, that stuff adds up. Look at that. Your windshield. Like I said, I love that seat.
Cab corners are nice.
Look at here. Look at your brand new gas tanks. All painted beautifully. New sanding units. Look at this.
Satin black. Really nice
quality
truck.
restoration. One thing I did notice on this one, it does need a
dome light cover.
Dome light cover. Yeah. Horn works.
Really straight up and down the sides. Body lines up well. Tailgate's
absolutely
nice. All this
show
hardware's
quality
new.
here on the driver's side. Beautiful.
Bed rails are excellent.
Look at that. Truck. What a truck.
Should take a picture of that for the website, huh?
I might as well. I mean, nothing was skimped on. Frames all been blasted and painted.
The only thing I see as far as like imperfections on this is on that on this door.
On this door?
There's a few little chips.
Yeah, right on the body line there, and you touched up. That's it though. I mean,
Even the
it's
steps for the bed.
not
Excellent.
a bubble, not a blister anywhere. All the doors open and close beautifully. All new rubbers here. Door jamb paint. New handles. And remember guys, doors open by going this way, not this way. That gets you out. Look at new wiring harness all the way up to the steering column. New heater boxes in both trucks. Like I said, they were both restored identically. He didn't restore one and kind of skimp out a little bit and then get better at the next one. They both were done super professionally.
Yeah, yeah, very, very nice. Don't forget your tailgate.
Doors shut tight.
A couple little rock chips right here too. Yeah, that's a cocky truck.
Gas gauge works. Your choke works over here too. I'm going to pull the choke a little bit. Everyone's a little different. Some you might have to give a little gas to, some you don't. There's your dome light, that works. Look at that.
Look how the glove boxes are stored.
Gosh. Every piece of this is brand new, Dalton. Everything.
Yeah. Looks
All
like
these are new. Let's drive it. Oil pressure's good. Amp gauge works. Gas gauge works. Horn works. Wipers work. There they are. You just gotta leave them alone, I guess. Heater fan works.
I like the black dash.
I did too. I mean, just a
Even this little mat too for the firewall. It's all just done.
Like I said,
nice.
he finished everything. Even that heater box is outstanding.
Yeah,
Go ahead and open her wing
Slide
window.
over.
It's got the little short shifter. The other one has a little longer shifter in it. Seats are comfortable. Brake stop nice. Boy, I like there's no traffic today. The only thing we don't know if it's working yet is the temp gauge because we haven't had that running long enough. We'll find that out. Transmission shifts great. Horn works. Windows go up awesome. Speedometer works. It's got a little bit of bounce to it, but not bad. It's 140 right now. Steering wheel's off just a little bit. It goes nice and straight down the road. Does not need alignment. It's just off center just a little.
Yeah.
Sometimes without an alignment, you can't get them perfect because they only go on so many different ways. But really nice truck. High-speed braking, no one behind us. No pull left to right. The boys did a great job with those factory drums. Got them all turned and brakes all done on it. Look at this radio delete. That's super cool, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm really impressed by her.
Nice truck.
We got 3 trucks on the docket today for our videos, don't we?
Yep.
And this is the second one. We got 1 left. Temperature gauge hasn't came up quite yet, but we'll check it here in about 30 seconds and see if it's coming up at all. This one's second gear 55. It's smooth, Dalton. This one drives just as good with the 20s on it as the 57 does with the 15s.
Yeah, it does.
I thought. Perfectly straight down the road. Temp gauge hasn't really came up a lot. It's still on the C, so we'll just have to let it run a lot longer to see if that's going to come up on us. Brakes are awesome. Downshift's good. Now remember, these old trucks, the synchros, you have to be stopped.
Yeah, they don't synchro into first. You gotta
Right.
stop
And then
put
you're
it
fine.
first. Yep. Most time you're just gonna run her like on that. You're just gonna put her up in the second and go.
Right, you wouldn't do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's no reason to come down to.
Beautiful truck. Check it out in more detail on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.